Melinda, you know that while doing this series of videos, what a coincidence it was that I received a telephonic call from our family friend, Honorable Member of Parliament from Marmago constituency, Mr. Francisco Sardina, and he was quite surprised that we were doing a series of videos on sardines, and we had a good laugh also, and he also had a good laugh. It was just a friendly call just to inquire into our well-being and all, as he has been doing, and we thanked him for that. And he also appreciated that this series of videos will help the new generation, young generation, future generations of Goans, and also all those who are interested abroad and outside Goa, also in the rest of India and the world. He said that we are doing a good job, and that's very interesting. So, to continue with where we were interrupted by Honorable MP Mr. Francisco Sardina's call, and I was happy that I told him that it is like a blessing that we got, and he was also very happy to know that while doing a video that he interrupted me by the phone call, but it was a good omen sort of, because not because his surname is Sardina, but that it was a coincidence that he inquired into it, because I had sent him all the video playlist links of our videos on Moindoi Keli and Taligaon Battu Mirchi and the Hilario mangoes and all. And I asked him to go through those videos and also try to protect, conserve, promote these made in Goa products, because thousands of jobs depend on them, and our entire culture, our cultural history, our cultural heritage, our natural heritage, our agro biodiversity, our fish diversity, everything, and our culinary heritage, because that has to be continued by future generation, also depends on that. So with this small interlude on in the series on sardines, I will turn to the next video where I will be asking you some specific questions about Portuguese sardines.